All right, so this is little activity that you can do, and you can do a really cool activity where they balance make figures and they balance it using different ways of balancing. But you're going to talk about balance, but the idea of this one is showing how to keep an equation in balance. Okay, so I have a tongue depressor, I have a binder clip, a couple magnets there, any sort of objects that would weigh similar amounts. So my paper clips and my binder clip are similar weights. So that's the way I was doing it. And then I balance it on a die, which gives you a little more wiggle room. So what you could do is have students copy this, what they see here, balance it, and then ask them to isolate the binder clip. So what can I do to this to keep the binder clip, or to get it all by itself? So what can I do to get the binder clip all by itself? And you can tell them they can remove things, all right? They can add stuff if they need to, but they want to get the binder clip all by itself. They can also move stuff to the other side if they want, to kind of play around, whatever they want to do to just kind of see. And what this does is it kind of introduces the idea that the binder clip later will be the variable. We're trying to isolate the variable. And there's things that we can do to manipulate the equation to get this by itself, but it requires us to do something to both sides. So for instance, I could remove both of these magnets, one from each side, and it will stay in balance. So now I've removed the two middle ones and it remains in balance. All right, there are other things that I could do. I mean, if I were to move this guy over here, that would, take it way out of balance without me adding something onto this side, so that they understand that there is something they need to do to keep it in balance. So it's just a basic illustration of how to keep things in balance.